So my Mod Podge has dried up. I just left it for drying, and while checking whether it is dried or not, you will see that I touched my finger over this and the delicate paper came off. So if this happens with you, don't worry, we can always go over with the paint. We will soon see how we are going to do some touch up. I'm going to take a very sharp cutter and just gently slice over this cutout so that I will be able to open my box. Yeah, see there. Seems good here also. So now my design is complete, but if I open the box, it is still there. And once you finish coloring inside, this is going to look very pretty. So now I'm going to show you how to complete painting this box. I have finished painting this decoupage box and I'm happy with the results. If you see on all the sides, so this is where the paper had torn off and I added a little bit of bright stroke of pink and also dabbed some background with multicolor. Still holding on to the white, I added a little bit of more background with the help of a sponge and a brush, but I haven't completely covered. I have left some white parts too, and this thing is dried. Now what I am going to do is apply a very thin coat of this Mod Podge, the same diluted one with a thin coat, which will give a very good glazy waterproof look for my decoupage box. If you don't want to coat this box with this dilute Mod Podge, then you can also give a very thin coat of transparent nail paint to give this a very glossy look, a finished look. But I'm sure you can achieve the same with your Mod Podge. So friends, this is your decoupage box. I hope you enjoyed this video. stay tuned for some more ideas and tips on how to create handicraft DIYs. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.